Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and from our friends at Hunkydory Crafts, I've got the cutest collection. It's the Pressed Petal collection. Pressed Petals beautiful kit from Hunkydory, as well as the Pressed Petal tag pad, which is adorable. And we've got this great little Doodle nesting frames rectangle cutting die set. You guys, together they make cards just like this one. It's a center step card that I put together, and the little tag just fits right in this little pocket on top. This is our giveaway card for this episode, so if you stick around, you'll learn how one lucky viewer could win this card to keep or share with a friend. So come play with us. All right, let's take a look at this Pressed Petal kit. It says makes at least 16 cards. You're getting 8 foiled die-cut topper sheets, 8 accent foiled cardstocks, and 8 printed cardstocks and an inspiration sheet. So this part just comes off. Let's flip this over. This is the inspiration sheet. Got all these different card ideas here, here, and then let's flip this back again. So you're getting 2 of each of these designs. They're all gold foiled, beautiful, and easily 1, 2, 3 cards from this page alone. Beautiful. Okay, you're getting 2 of those. I love the little additions of the borders. Once again, lots to work with here. And look at all of these, you guys. These little card toppers, which would be so great to put like 2 or even 3 on a card if you're doing a slim line. 1 is a card focal. They come with greetings, and then you're getting 2 of those. Here's another one. Getting 2 of these as well. Look at the beautiful foiling. Once again, 4 cards on this one. This makes way more than 16 cards. All right, so then we've got our cardstock. You're getting 2 of each of these sheets. 2, I love the corner embellishments. I feel like I've got these upside down. There we go. And I love the torn paper look. That is really cute. That's different too. And this one's got the little notebook paper sticking out. How cute. Look at the little embellishment there. Getting 2 of these. These are upside down this way. This one with love. Love the border here. That's great. And then this one, beautiful. The pink rose and this border here. And then this beautiful yellow border is gorgeous. And finally, this beautiful purple. Look at that corner embellishment. So you're getting 2 of all of those. Oh, and I should have mentioned that the last ones here have gold embellishments on them. So let's go back. Okay, I should definitely point that out. There's the gold. And then this one has the foil right at the top here. And then this one right there. Okay, got them all. All right, so let's start and look at these Pressed Petal tag pad. Okay, this one you're getting 48 tags, and you're getting 12 of each one. So you're getting 4 of each. Isn't that cute? Lovingly handmade for you. Okay, and then this one, enjoy the little things. A beautiful day. Cute with that purple. I love the little notebook paper too. Adorable. Thanks a bunch. Go. You are blooming lovely. Or bloomin' lovely. The different inflection there. Cute little cluster there. This is the one I used for the little tag in the giveaway card. I love this one as well. Purple. And then this one, birthday wishes. I think is that the last one? Oh, I think there's one more with the rose. Okay. And then you guys, these nested dies, you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4 nested dies, and this is what they look like when you die cut them. Let me grab this. Isn't that cute? Adorable little frame. All right, so let's jump right in and take a look at this one. So this is the center step card. It's so quick and easy to make, especially with these kits, because You get 5 cards and 5 envelopes. They're already folded. You pull them out and they're ready to cover with paper, cardstock. And we also have a cutting die for this if you have a cutting die machine, so you can make them to your heart's content. They don't come with envelopes, however. All right, so for this one, you guys, I took, let me find these. Okay, so I took the border from this one right here, and I actually just used half of this and put it right here and glued it right here on these little side panels. Cute. And then this one right here, I used some yellow cardstock that, well, or cardstock that came with yellow. It's this one right here. So I just cut a little bit of that off, and then I matted this square, and then I foam taped it right here. Before doing that though, I do have this border that I cut out from right here. Just cut this border, glued that down along the bottom, put a pink jewel border dazzle sticker along the edge. Then, wherever I got the yellow down, after that's done, I put foam tape just along the 3 sides here. Just one thin layer of foam tape. I like to use our giant wheel of foam tape, but what I did was I took this 1/2 inch strip and I cut it in half so it was a 1/4 inch wide. So I had room for the tag to move up and down. And then the tag, I actually cut a little bit off the bottom so that it wouldn't stick up too high, and then added, just glued on one of the little punch outs, and then that just goes right in this little pocket right there, and just added a little bit of 1/8 inch grosgrain ribbon and glued that to the top. This was a really easy one to put together, and using kind of scraps too. This is our giveaway card for this episode. I almost forgot. How that works is we're promoting our Paper Wishes YouTube channel. So if you want to participate in the giveaway, you need to hop on over to Paper Wishes on YouTube. There is a link if you're watching us on our webisode page right there. There's like a YouTube link at the bottom of the video, like an icon. You click on that. And then once you're there, then if we watch the video there, like, comment, and be a subscriber. That's really important. You also have to know your YouTube username, okay? Because we're gonna reply to somebody's comment and we're gonna say, congratulations, blank. We're gonna add in your little YouTube username. That's how we identify you. And then follow the instructions to claim your card. So I hope you guys participate in that. All right, so in this one, a little 6.5 by 5 inch card, and for this one I used another paper just to cover it because I wanted to use just the tag and the cutting die. So for this one I used Meadow Blooms 12 by 12 pattern cardstock, which goes really well with this collection. So if you're just interested in the tags or you're just interested in the cutting die, this would be your good one to go. So this one right here has this nice little yellow floral background, and I cut it slightly smaller than the card, glued that there, and then I just cut my little rectangle, cute little nested die out of white cardstock, and then I just took this tag and I like sort of glued it so from the top and it goes under it. So then I put a little dot of glue on each one of these little loopies, and then I just glued that down so that the tag is over the top of one side and under this side. Glued a little bow of that 1/8 inch ribbon, and then right down here, use some more of those cute little pink. I love this new pink that we have. It's like a Barbie pink. Use that border right there along the top and the bottom. And then Sending Smiles is from our Sending Smiles collection of Dazzle stickers. And I, of course, use the gold. And that one was good to go. That was a very quick card to make. All right, I think I buried my other cards here. Let's see, here we go. All right, so this one, you guys, 5 by 6.5 inches. I took some blue cardstock that I had from this one. So actually, after I used this border right here, I had this blue cardstock left over. And I used it, just cut it slightly smaller than my card. And then I used one of these toppers right here, and I just glued it to the center of the card, die cut beautiful gold Miri cardstock. Here we go. And that just got glued right over the top. And then I added some of these adorable little flowers. Some of them are just plain paper and some have sparkles on them. And I just glued those directly to the card front, so it's a little bit more dimension and sparkle. Foam taped one of the little die cut greetings right here. Many happy returns. And then added one of those little bows. And then on the inside of the card, you guys, since I had already used this border on the first card, this on the card front, I had all of this left over. And so I just cut that down and glued that inside, and it says "with love" on it, so that was ready to go. All right, so the last one I have to show you is absolutely buried. Here we go, I found it. All right, we're gonna actually build a card together. So here we go. All right, so this is a 5 by 6.5 inch card. But I went ahead and instead of having it like this, I opened it to lay it flat and I used a scoreboard and I scored it here at 2.5 inches and here at 2.5 inches because these are 5-inch wide cards and I just scored it halfway. Okay, so you could adjust that to any size card by just scoring it at the halfway. And then I folded those in, okay, and then I used this pink paper. Actually just cut some from this side right here and then a little bit from right here, glued them on the panels, and then we have started selling this particular sheet of Dazzle borders. I think it comes in white, black, and silver, and you can buy them individually now, okay? And I'll list these down below. So I just added these little white borders at the top and the bottom. All right, so then you guys, let me find this one here. Here we go. This desk got out of control. So we've got this layer of the outside frame, the pink frame, and then the center oval. I did not use the pink frame. Just set it aside and we'll use it for something later. But what I did was I took this outer frame and I just took white dot vellum. I glued the frame to that, just let it dry for a little bit, and then I just took my little scissors and I just cut around the outside edge, so I had a nice vellum dot sort of center there, which I love. So that's going to go right there. And then I took some foam tape and I just put the center little piece right over there. So now we're going to go ahead and attach this right there. We're going to use a little extra foam tape. I like to use foam tape for the dimension. It's so handy. So we're going to take this, cut a little bit of foam tape off. I like to put the foam tape down where I want it, where I want to anchor it. And then you're just taking this part and you're just centering this. That way you don't have to worry about where's the foam tape when you want it. Okay, so when you open that, that's how that's going to look. But then this part right here, I don't like the way that looks. So I took another oval from this sheet right here, put some foam tape on that. Okay, and we're just going to cover that right there. So we have something nice. Now I don't mind this. I think that's just fine. It's white and vellum, but that way you're not seeing the foam tape on there. And then I have this little piece that's left over from here, and I cut it down and I can glue it right there so that it's masking that fold that's right in the middle there. We don't need to have that show. So let's put our glue right there. There we go. And then I've got this little happy birthday little punch out piece. How cute to just put that right there. We're going to close this up. I've got another one right here that says "For my beautiful friend." That can go right here. Now, because we're opening on this side, don't accidentally stick it to this side because then you're going to kind of stick your card shut. So make sure you put it on the left side. And then I've got a little bow that I made out of grosgrain ribbon. I do like to add these little bows to these because it does give a little extra dimension. A little touch of realism there. All right, so then you're just gonna do that. You open it up, and how pretty, right? Very, very simple. All right, you guys, we have a fantastic money saver on this collection. I've not seen one like this from Hunkydory with all the different flowers. It kind of has that wildflower look with the torn paper. That's really unusual too. It's just a really fun and whimsical collection. I love the little paper pad or tag pad. That is adorable. Very, very useful. You can make tons of things out of that. There you go. Don't forget to participate in our little card giveaway. We would love for one of you to claim that card. Don't forget we have the money saver on the right-hand side, and then everything else is listed down below the video, okay? If you're watching us on our Paper Wishes webisode page. If you're watching us on YouTube, just look below the video in the description box, and there's a link there that'll take you right over to this webisode page. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.